Hey, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you how to make money through insurance. So, can you make money from the home? Yeah, many individuals believe that in order to earn money and make a living that would have to step out to their homes and take a job. So, I'm gonna tell you how to make money through insurance. So, do you know how to earn money at home by selling insurance as a part-time job? You can earn in three ways. The first one is through first-year commissions earned on the policies sold. The second one is through renewal commissions when the policies you sold are renewed by your clients. So the third one is through the rewards and recognitions programs organized by the insurance companies which promise gifts in cash and kind. So, how much money can be made selling insurance from home as a part time job? So, here is the brief plan. As you can see on your screen, that here is the brief plan. So, types of plans. First one is motor insurance plan. Yeah, you can see now the first column and the second column. The first column is types of plans sold and the second one is commission structure. So I hope so you will understand all this. Yeah, motor insurance. So motor insurance plans are for private car comprehensive insurance up to 50%, 15% of the own damage OD premium. So for commercial vehicles, comprehensive insurance up to 15% of the own damage OD premium. So for two-wheeler comprehensive insurance up to 17.5% of the own damage OD premium. So the third party policies on all types of vehicles up to 2.5% the premium paid annually. So this was the first of a motor insurance plan. So now we will move to the second one, life insurance plan. So here is the life insurance plan where you can see policies with regular premium paying option. Policies with regular premium paying option, the minimum limit is 15% and the maximum limit is 35% for the new policies based on the policy paying term PPT. So the second one, the for single premium plans up to 2% for single premium based on the policy paying term. So this was the life insurance plan. So the third one is term life insurance policy. The term life insurance policy. So it is the policy with regular premium paying option. The minimum limit is 15% and the maximum limit is 35% for the new policies based on the policy paying term called as PPT. So in the for the single premium plans, this was the policy regular premium paying option. This was the for single premium plan up to 2% single premium based on policy paying term. So the last one is health insurance plan. So it is the most common plan, health insurance plan up to 15% of annual premium. It's just simple as good. So here is the illustration. Here is a simple example to show how to earning potential when you become a POSP, point of sale person. Here is assuming. So first of all, if you sell one car insurance policy to your friend owning a car and own bike insurance policy to your uncle who has a bike. Moreover, you sell a term insurance plan to your close friend after you explain to him the importance of having a term life cover. Also, you sell a family floater health insurance plan to your neighbor who is looking to cover himself and his family under health insurance. So here is the plan. Here you can see, yeah, this is the column. So type of policy sold, premium amount, applicable commission and the commission earned. So car insurance INR, say it's 15,000, 15% and 2 to 50 commission earned. So it's let's move on to the bike insurance INR 2500, 17.5 438. So these are the details of the total earning commission. So this was the video for today. I hope so you guys like it. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Till then, goodbye.